Hi, this is Scott Lanson. Many of you in Facebook through pictures were watching me make my butterfly gardens, and I've had some ask me, do the butterfly gardens really work? Yes, they really do. I haven't put many recordings out yet, but I have hundreds of them just like this one. This was recorded August 15th, 2020 on a nice summer day, and I'm here wanting to share this with you as I think butterflies are beautiful. The birds in the background are cardinals, and I don't know what the other one is, but they're common here. Glad I'm able to share. Y'all have a great day.